Hello, everybody. I wanted to bring you an update on something that's very serious, but also some really good news for our veterans. On August 10th, 2022, President Biden signed into law the Camp Lejeune Justice Act. Now, many of you may know about this because there's lots of commercials, there are lots of activity, lawyers trying to get cases on these injuries. And one of the reasons why you're seeing so much is to try to get awareness that this is possible, because these claims can go back as far as 1952. So the time frame is 1952 to 1987. If you or a loved one or a friend were living at or near Camp Lejeune during those dates, you've had to have lived there at least 30 days and drank the water, and you developed certain conditions and injuries, breast cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, leukemia, Parkinson's disease, a miscarriage, renal toxicity, kidney damage, and there are others. There's a long list. And this happened because our government dumped toxins in and around Camp Lejeune for years, which seeped into the water table and poisoned the water. And so if you have one of these injuries or you know someone who does, you may want to consider calling an attorney and making a claim. You have to first make a claim through the federal agency. There really is no issue about liability. You're presumed to have been caused by these injuries, to have been caused by exposure to the water. So it's an important right that you may have, or that someone you know may have. Our veterans served us, and we now want to serve them by getting them compensation for these injuries that they suffered as a result for serving at Camp Lejeune, or a support person who worked at Camp Lejeune, or a spouse or family member who lived there while the Marine was on active duty, or even after they retired in some cases. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. Bill Walk in our office is handling these cases, and we would certainly love to serve you if you served us for your country, or you are closely associated with someone who served our country. Thank you very much.